Is the computer running?
Yes, the computer is plugged in and it's running. We're replacing that projector screen with that new 130-inch projector screen. Replacing the projector with this bad boy right here. We got new Polycom conference system going in as well.
6.5 is the magic number. Just getting it as centered up as we can here. Mounting the pole that our projector will hang from. Had to add some unistrut for structure going between the rafters here, or trusses I should say. Hang our projector pole off of. I might have to loosen up that other side, but that's why I left it loose, huh? Holds me. There's 220. So here's what we're doing up here. Let me flip this screen around. I'll get it started and then I'll come around for the other side and do it from that side. Voila! Not bad at all.
The one that's in the rack?
Yep. Yeah, we're good. Go down, drop it. We either need more slack or the power needed to come out the other side. It does add a little booty on it, doesn't it? This is ridiculous. What am I doing? We're gonna need to like tape off center. I guess it's gonna be wherever our screen gets. Well, we can get our center left to right. Okay, so it's probably gonna be up basically as high as we need it to mount, basically then.
Trying to see if that is gonna not power the touch screen or be responsive to whatever Ben is wanting this thing to do. We got the projector up, pulled the HDMI's, 2 Cat 6As, existing Cat 6 that was there, serial cable all through the pole, so it just looks like a really clean install. Started on the screen frame. Got the Polycom parts over here. We're trying to cipher through and get connected and configured. We'll be finishing all this up tomorrow. How's that sound?